Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can change your color temperature. So at the first you have to go for settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for device preferences and find below picture mode. Next we have to scroll down all the way down and find color temperature. Right now we can set cool, standard, warm or user. When we pick user, we can adjust red, green or blue gain. We can also reset. Okay, let's go back. I'm going to change for warm. After that you can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.